Okay. Just want you to see. Oh, I'm sorry. Good morning. Just want you to see I made the most beautiful candy apples last night. They're so pretty. Pretty. Look how shiny and smooth. Can you see that shine? Not a bubble. Okay, yeah, I left the stem in. Not a bubble anywhere. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. But can't use this batch either because see it they're sticky. Oh, this is not a good batch. I'm not sure what happened, but sometimes the most beautiful candy apples in the world can't be eaten. Look, if I press really hard, you see my fingerprint in it. Oh, I think my candy thermometer is broken. Oh well, back to the store. Thanks for watching.